Meaning of full.
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 Full. The suffix full is used to form adjectives that indicate that something or someone possesses or is characterized by a certain quality or quantity. For example, the word hopeful suggests that someone is full of hope, while beautiful suggests that something possesses qualities that are aesthetically pleasing. The suffix full can also indicate the presence of a certain amount, as in the word handful, which suggests a small quantity of something that can be held in the hand. Essentially, the suffix full is used to add emphasis or clarity to a noun or verb, and to create adjectives that describe the qualities of people, things, and concepts.